my name is Minje Park from South Korea, and we are doing this Hangul. We are celebrating Hangul Day. Hangul is Korean letters, Korean alphabet, and Korean letters are recently invented. It means 6,000 years back, around 6,000 years back. But the Korean Hangul is very linguistic, very scientific alphabet. So we are celebrating that one because it's a very unique letters. Of course, it's Korean letters, but around the world it is celebrated because many linguists they said this is very much unique. We call this a future alphabet because it's very much scientific. So we are celebrating this one, and then through this celebration, we want to share our culture with the Indian people also, the people in Manipur also. Related with the Hangul, I want to say Meitei loan is really similar with the Korean. All the system, consonant system almost similar. One sound is only different. I was really surprised when I was in Delhi. Compared with the Hindi, Hindi and Korean is quite different, but sentence structure similar. But in consonant, in Meitei consonant, Korean consonant almost same. We have 19 consonant, you have 18 consonant. Ch and ch, that sound only you don't distinguish. Otherwise, exactly the same. Also, you have the Apun system also. That one also we have similar. And then you Lonsum also you have. We also have. So that is very unique. So sometimes I think that Korean and the Meitei loan is somewhat too much similar. So it is good chance to Manipuri students to learn Korean because the similarities a lot. We are enjoying stay here, yeah, but because of COVID situation, when we just before COVID we are here, so then all the 3 years gap was there. After that, anyway, we can communicate Kazakh. Yeah, Manipuri University Gyeojani. Yeah, so I'm teaching here Korean here.
I give the blessing maring way EBS Environmental Science Department daily. Adong sing akoi MU da soina Hangeul gi kaino festivals mai thoi je yamna nungai ba pawi adu hojik Korean gi kaino traditional yam trend ju oi nei dina ko adu mai set pa phangwa ga yam harao be ai tare.
I giming Romita Kojay, Saisa Manipur University da keno assistant professor Korean goina lejabani. Ada keno date 9-10 se Hangeul Day oina Hangeul Day se Korean script day hena moigi adum chai kudingi pangthok chaba festival oi ada handakna Manipur University hoi department gi manga suba Hangeul Day celebration oi doine nahangai na K-pop adai Korean food festival sugumba ma'am organize over the mamang chahidi irang duna akoi gi satra ma'am marakta si Korean traditional game hapaga akoi masen hana try to zabane dedi interesting oiba de loan khaktang natana culture gi matang da su thaina de gi moi gi sana keno traditional game akoi ga manaba su yawi sumba matang da su satra singda khangan ma matam da moi interest to tungda research ro bugi matang da su krai area da to buyai aduna henna keno nganangi seminar da haije gi ba me amdu da loan sigi through da akoi connection nama semba haido sumaina torga sembagi pandamna sumaina handati mayam da open tawjabani traditional games handana ahamane hapise na mayam sumaina lakpiduna kena interest utpi bagi da makta su yam thagachari cultural exchange and then connecting people to people haitare aduga ngasai gi sia khulokpi haibasi da mayam na mi khwaide yami se mai akoi meitei gi su sugumba keno traditional amasana khral leigi bagi adugi damakta simi attraction do sina ihan hale andagi anoba seisa korean gi khungi ana chingaga kanba khopa sina anoboi bagi sina mu nauna try toning bagi haiba haitaba haibugi mi khitang lalle adagi adana mu squid game gi saina page flip to bagi squid game miam popular gi drama ogi aduna adugi is next most popular oire ada Korean food ki na huji lunch boxes miam yore aduna huji sidi hanadagi miam na popular oiba keno item amo gibani na ani sibudi dum masagi dum mi yame customer haitar food habit di hoi rice na staple food oi bodo moi so khoi su chamane duitar su dum food hai sidi dum region specific oi bani na ai speciality le to bodo bu kimchi gumba sugumba di already mi myam na household name mi tar ta khangnara bani na adu duna adum mayam adum laga dum already well known oiraba food item oi bigi dum akoi adugi through da so adum popularize hena tawzari na haijatare adagi hanbok ki sina keno drama gumba mayam dai set pa uraga su sigi event si khatang da outsider na try torga set pa yabagi keno do opportunity ma phangmani na sidaisa su adum chai kuding mi masing adum yam na lae na haijana culturally moi akoi Asian community nga tani na adum ahanda respect over hoi adagi ahanda hana makhana read tawi then pochai piba matam na yet right hand na pigadam ne asimadi soiba yade chamane khoi da so dagi hangana handa khumba yade chamane aduna satra singda khoi na instruction ama piba matam da adum moi do adum pangthokadabani suma adum I manara adum chatpani na aduna suma sida khra hena chauna showcase tawtadi tamdaba satra singsu interest yauragadi research area oina su puthokpa ya ni na khanma Korean tamdraga su
ai so imoba professor so imoba department of head department of foreign languages ko aduna sideda department sida hangi bisi Chinese Japanese Korean jilai aduna hoji sei manga tongna leiba course ni master day loraga mako PhD to ko yabagi ji la e adu kaman to ge bo ji Korean gi loan ji india da Manipur ko na to to india gi hum kya da chu yamna pamna bo rokna akoi gi Manipur sida Korean language hange Japanese Chinese hang bisi da adu khwadi gi ariba emi bok to guya na hoji PhD to guya baje Korea khakta oiri adaga Japan ni jo hoji chai manga gi course hobo hore aduna mathang da ju Chinese ju lakhini ada Korean gi language ai tamba matam da language ga culture ga jimai le da bani na kali lege bo language culture ji culture gi basai mo gi sari ba thai ba seli ba dress puna ba chingje kamai tawi ga da angang jing gi da khangan ba aduga hoji ki foreign language tamba ji language skill leina lon ja ma kadang khang ya da ba khoi de music ji da lol ani ahum mari lon je he khang ye mi be gi cognitive power ji khan ba wakhan kham chang ji hele aduna music ji tonga ba lon ji gi tam ga Korea bu tam pam jara su Chinese pa ma ga su Japanese pa ma ga su masi kai kana ba le ge bu la chai khuding yam toy na Chinese Japan Korean amsung Japanese mo ji mi la aga company gi mi la aga mafam de puro ga mo ji company da na ga embassy da thabak to gi khurong chap jam pi mo na su aduna admission to bodi ga horoga awang sa sing da Korea gi di lupa lakh ama ga kharen pitar e adu na nga sing je to per sing da mengchan ba matam da admission to bui mak entrance test mak wak phang bajing je mo khoi da moi pasa amount lising tala gi matak pi da mo je khurong cha pi ri aduna angang sing ji hojik ti Manipur hari ba khoi gi lamji akoi foreign trade ki so lambi mo ar kaduri maru oi ba ma aduna foreign language Japanese amsung Korea Chinese ga ji khangmam la e aduna hojik kamang to ge bo Korea jing ji Korean tamning bi chang ji hagilak tang si di Bharat ki masi ma da leri ba pham khring muk de gi la aga handak lai ba tang tara go hum do si da aso ba India gi oina si da ma pham pi da ma ya ma prakha thaba lak tori aduna masi da India government na jo Korean ga mari apa mari le da bani na adidan Korea government na jo aso ba funding dor tana osa ba uthar e moi de gi aduna ko yam kanna moina develop tong na ba Korea language mo khonei aduna angang jing ji da language ta bagaloi na mo khoi culture command to ga je mo gi sab gi hinabi chile dress asi manaba lei samna har da mai te gi culture ga mo gi ko Korean ga culture ga manaba masak kayam ji yaw lei ji ba masin hadik ta sula ami Korea da gi mi afawa scholar ri la ami andro sala ga mai gi yang mutam da mo gi akhoi gi sum ba masak ki oi ba mai ji bu yam na boru na khanja ba lam ada bang tawi ga mo yi wari dile me ba aduna aina khan ba ari ba matam da gi lon bu di khara khena khare ji ko adu culture da manaba mayam ji yaw ro ga di akhoi je 그럼 뭐 마음 되게 하기 오랜 버가 티지 야버기 그동 잡고 수 아무 레이더리 한글대지 거기 강대 거 아도 호직디 한글대 강에 제 이망아 수바 펑션지 떨어지 프로그램지 막아서로 거네 봐도 깜깜 또 인하게 된다 디파트먼트 오브 포레인 랭귀지다 코리아 해봐 론지 한국 보기 뭐 중있나 라인해 봐 아도 자리 센터게 무슨 셋 거멘트 간바 착지 그러로 인디비주얼 레벨에 거기 잘라가 한국 야비지 야대 봐 아도 뭐이 라고 못한다 포레이너 한번 라고 못한다 एयरपोर्ट की मी मैम कोई खंग इन इबनी कमाई तो यंगदुरी नेबा अदुना सरकार की होइबा इनिशिएटिव होइबा सरकार स्टेट के होरगा सेंटर की बटेंग लोरगा अटो लम निजी दा दो ओनली कोरिया दन अटो लम दजु अखोई की मणिपुरी हाबे लोन जे चाखन न बकै तो याबगे बिजे याम द राइट टाइम नि तो गदम नि मैम तोरसि बाइदा अदुना न तबि दा अखोई की हलक दजु इनों नोंदा मैटे मेक सि अखोई की सरकार दा मणिपुरी लोन क्लासिकल लैंग्वेज ओजि काइन ताउ चिथा ले होरे हारे को किदं 조금바 누가 따버리 누가 되고 또 하는데 만니푸리 스피커 뭐이나 아도 람지기 비야 뭐이나 거기 론지 bulxibo 뭐이나 아고지 그도 뭐야 그 되게 해보지 सरकार जो खनी खने रंगुरी खली 아도 그리고 뭐 치터 난다 버진 또 버진 자 좀 따버도 한 뭐이다 खन 누가 되버리 파위
My name is Valeros and I am the CRO Foreign Language, and today we're celebrating the 5th Hangeul Day, and it is a day that the Korean script is made, that the Korean script is Hangeul, so it is a day that the Korean script is made, so it is called the Hangeul Day. I've been attending the Hangeul Day since 2020. And then we got to experience lots of cultural event, like the Korean cultural event. Like I got the experience to do fan dance, samulnori, which is a traditional dance in Korean. And then we even get to experience Korean food. It was really a good experience. And here in Manipur, it's really good because many of Manipuri, we Manipur students and all the youths are a bit fan of Korean, so and then getting the opportunity, we never get an opportunity to experience, though we are really a fan of K-pop, but in this Hangeul Day, many of the youth came and then we get to experience Korean culture, Korean food, in this Hangeul Day.